How to make Eggs Benedict. Ingredients: 8 slices bacon or 4 slices Canadian bacon, 4 large eggs, 2 teaspoons white or rice vinegar, 2 English muffins, butter, 2 tablespoons chopped parsley, for garnish, Hollandaise sauce, 10 tablespoons unsalted butter. If using salted butter, omit the added salt, 3 large egg yolks, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, ½ teaspoon kosher salt, dash cayenne or Tabasco sauce. Cook the bacon. Heat the large skillet on medium-low heat. Add the strips of bacon or the slices of Canadian bacon. Slowly fry, turning occasionally, until the bacon is browned on both sides, and if using strip bacon, much of the fat is rendered out, about 10 minutes. Use tongs or a fork to remove the bacon from the pan. Set on a paper towel to absorb the excess fat. Don't pour the bacon fat left in the pan down the drain. Either sop it up with paper towels when it has cooled a bit, or pour it into a jar to be used later. See rendering bacon fat. Crispy bacon on paper towels to make Eggs Benedict. Bring the poaching water to a simmer. While the bacon is cooking, bring a large saucepan 2/3 filled with water to a boil, then add the vinegar. Bring the water to a boil again, then lower the heat to a bare simmer. Make the Hollandaise sauce. To make blender Hollandaise, melt 10 tablespoons unsalted butter. Put 3 egg yolks, a tablespoon of lemon juice, ½ teaspoon salt in a blender. Blend on medium to medium-high speed for 20-30 seconds, until eggs lighten in color. Turn blender down to lowest setting, slowly dribble in the hot melted butter, while continuing to blend. Taste for salt and acidity and add more salt or lemon juice to taste. Transfer it to a container you can use for pouring and set it on a warm, but not hot, place on or near the stovetop. First time making Hollandaise sauce? Check out our easy blender Hollandaise sauce for additional details on making the sauce. Blender with egg yolks to make Eggs Benedict. Adding melted butter to egg yolks to make Eggs Benedict. Hollandaise sauce for Eggs Benedict recipe. Poach the eggs. Essentially, working one egg at a time, you crack an egg into a small bowl and slip it into the barely simmering water. Once it begins to solidify, you can slip in another egg, until you have all 4 cooking. Turn off the heat, cover the pan, and let sit for 4 minutes. Remember which egg went in first. You'll want to take it out first. When it comes time to remove the eggs, gently lift out with a slotted spoon. Note that the timing is a little variable on the eggs, depending on the size of your pan, how much water, how many eggs, and how runny you like them. You might have to experiment a little with your setup to figure out what you need to do to get the eggs exactly the way you like them. If you need some more instruction, here is an easy method for poaching eggs. Poaching eggs for an Eggs Benedict recipe. Poached eggs for an Eggs Benedict recipe. Toast the English muffins. As soon as all the eggs are in the poaching water, begin toasting your English muffins. If you can't get all the muffins toasted by the time the eggs are ready, gently remove the eggs from the poaching water and set in a bowl. Assemble the Eggs Benedict. To assemble, butter one side of an English muffin. Top with 2 slices of bacon or 1 slice of Canadian bacon. You can trim the bacon to fit the muffin if you'd like. Put a poached egg on top of the bacon, then pour some hollandaise over. Sprinkle some parsley over it all and serve it once.